Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Next, let's cover the Bitcoin, right? King of crypto, Bitcoin. So we think October will be bullish for Bitcoin, assuming no black swan again. And I think China's recent ban on crypto for the thousandth time doesn't surprise anyone anymore. So that's not black swan, but really the question is whether Evergrande is the tip of the iceberg, and there will be like this wave of defaults coming on for corporations, right, and eventually sovereigns, which I think would eventually be extremely bullish for crypto, because like crypto is essentially, it enables big data on a company level, right? Not within a company like Facebook or Google, but like on a country level, right? What's going on in the economy, how economics affect macroeconomics. All those data can be analyzed and optimized in the next few decades to come. So despite this, I think October may see a final hurrah for the crypto market, and then like a huge dump down together with everything else before like the cleanup goes back into crypto from bad money to good money. So good money is the one with like sound accounting and with like open blockchains. It's as sound as it can get, right? Because not one person gets what you did, and anyone gets what you did. Anyone, you and I. So as we look into 2013 for some hints of what might happen. So 2013 is like that. Yeah. So final. So October 2013, November 2013, extremely bullish, right? Yeah. And then dump. After the cleanup, I'm not sure how deep the cleanup will be. We should see money flowing into sound assets, which is crypto. Yeah. So another scenario is if it follows gold price and dumps in Q4 2013. Since the market is not particularly fearful of anything right now, unlike in 2009 when everything seems to be burning up, people's pensions were like going bankrupt and all that. Right now it doesn't seem to be extremely fearful, but we'll see whether there's anything that Evergrande has triggered. I think scenario 1 is more likely to happen. Bitcoin has yet to prove itself as a flight to risk kind of asset. Definitely at this point of time feels more like a leveraged technology stock, but it is getting more mature, and we're not sure as its market cap gets bigger and more institutions start to believe it as a safe haven asset, whether its characteristics will start to change in terms of price action. But don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's not good for crypto. I'm just saying that it currently is still a very young space and has the potential to provide mankind with a more advanced accounting system that holds people accountable for the transactions that they choose to make. So bull case, we could see price start to move up from here. So October and then boom, right? Then for the bear case, last year of September could see another sell off to retest, maybe even deeper, due to fears of the upcoming taper, though I think that's mostly priced in. And then we could see green bars in the first week of October and then go into Q4 2022.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.